time for Halloween, so naturally decoratives, candies and costumes will sell more. But that doesn't mean other products are not desirable. In fact, no matter what you sell, there is always a way you can make your products relative to Halloween. So you just need to find creative ways to relate your products to the Halloween theme so that people get a chance to come and buy from your shop. So let me give you a few examples really quick so that you know how you can take some creative decisions in bringing in products that relate to Halloween. Now, if you are a clothing store, it's much easier for you. Like you can bring in t-shirts in Halloween themes, and let's say you could put in a Dracula image on the t-shirt. That makes it relative to Halloween. Now, besides that, you could bring in some extra scary masks along with the t-shirts so that people will find that an extra product to buy with the t-shirt. All right. But what if you're in some other niche, such as if you're selling electronics, let's say computer accessories? In that case, what will happen? Well, there is still a way you can make it happen. Let's say you can bring in computer cases with skins of Halloween activities or Halloween creatures on the casing. Or you could maybe sell a mouse with painting of a ghost on it. That's one way you can make Halloween relative to your products. Now, a few other industries will be much more busy. For example, if you are in the grocery industry, you'll be pretty busy because people will be looking for pumpkins and other foods they want to eat during Halloween. So you should really work on bringing in good quality food products, especially the pumpkins. They has to be of good quality. For candy shops, you should bring in candies or chocolates that are shaped in Halloween creatures. For example, you could make a skull-shaped candy, or you could simply make the pumpkin face candy. They will sell really well. And if you're a bakery, you could make custom-made cakes for your customers. For example, you could offer them to create cakes in shape of, let's say, Hotel Transylvania and other famous characters so that people can come in and request a cake like that. Now, the reason why I'm telling you to bring in products that relate to Halloween is because this will give people a reason to come to your website during the Halloweens. And maybe after getting something related to Halloween, they'll browse through your website and probably buy some other products that are not Halloween themed. Alright, so that's one way you can make people buy more from your shop. So that's it for this marketing technique. Now let's move on to the next video for the next marketing technique.